Dixon is serving a life sentence for killing Covenant doctor Joseph Saunier, but an appeals court ruling this week on some of the evidence used to get that conviction. KMAX Tori Learned's here now with a look at why Dixon could get another retrial.
Lauren, Brian, according to court documents, prosecutors didn't have a search warrant for Dixon's cell phone records, and now that's unconstitutional. In July of 2012, Dr. Thomas Dixon was convicted of hiring a hitman to kill Covenant doctor Joseph Saunier, who was later found by his landscaper.
Gun fired. I'm leaning in to see if he's okay. I don't hear anything. Go in the garage. He's laying prone. I hear his last breath.
Dixon has always denied ever knowing about the murder.
Yeah, he's a liar. I don't trust him, and I'm not going to condone perjury. That's why I didn't. His own daughter thinks he's a liar.
The appeals court ruling states prosecutors didn't get a search warrant to use cell phone data in Dixon's trial. The prosecution says that's true, but they did have a court order for that evidence. During Dixon's trial, prosecutors used text messages and cell phone locations. Then District Attorney Matt Powell spoke on the guilty verdict.
It's culminated in about 2.5 years of work. That led us to today and today's verdict.
But this June, the Supreme Court ruled a search warrant is needed to get that cell phone information. The appeals court ruling this week stating that that court ruling can be used on old cases, meaning that evidence shouldn't be used in Dixon's case.
I never even thought about a mistrial.
The appeals court also ruled Dixon wasn't given his constitutional right for public trial because some of the public wasn't able to watch it. Now the ruling goes to review by the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals in Austin. Back in 2015, Saunier's son choosing not to let what happened to his dad define him.
We don't have him to guide us through this now, but we still have that lesson that he gave us, that we can't let something like this destroy our lives, that we have to just keep going and keep living in spite of it.
David Shepard, the hitman, pled guilty back in 2013 and is also serving a life sentence. We still do have to wait on that appeal decision to see if they will go for retrial.